Right, time for something different, I thought. No, is that the right one? Yes. I thought I'd try, because it's so warm, for once, I'd try Weiss beer, Rheinbacher Weiss beer, quite a cheap one, but I put it through the Fizzics. Let's see how that goes on. We'll have a lot of head on it because it just comes out that way. Just slow it down just a little bit. Now some of you will be thinking that is an appalling pot. It probably is. However, it could be described as a continental head on a Weiss beer through the Fizzics, which just gives it a bit of carbonation. And I just thought I'll try this beer through the Fizzics because it's nice and warm. And I just thought, you know what, I'll do something a bit different. Smells like a Weiss beer. That sort of clovey smell you get. It's actually retained a bit longer than usual, just put it from the bottle. Let's taste it. It's not bad. I'll just see if we can top it up a little bit more. Now obviously I've had this straight from the bottle at some stage, I just can't remember what it tasted like. But I think this is a little bit better. The mouth feels a little bit better. So, those of you who like a Weiss beer every now and again, I do like the Franciscana, and that one's out there, winking at me. I may do that after I've had this one, but I may not. I've just got a little bit of gardening to do. Anyhow, I hope you're all well. I hope you're all enjoying relatively good weather. And as I say, I just thought I'd do something different because it is about motorhomes, pints, and bikes. So yeah, I think that tastes a bit better through that Fizzics contraption. Definitely creamier. Does it over-carbonate it, which it can do sometimes? I don't think so. So I mean, that's about, I don't know, $1.39, something like that at Aldi. And Weiss beers are generally more than that if you go for good names, which I quite like. But just as, I don't know, a fridge filler, I think it's quite nice. Right, see you again. Obviously I'll be doing something else next time, I think. And stay safe and all that. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Well done. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you so desire, and if you enjoy this sort of content. If not, I appreciate that at least you viewed it this once. Cheers.